So we're on the delivery trail. Now this customer, she requested that the package was to be delivered to her house. But instead she called and said, hey, she's not going to be home. So we take it to her at work. And I'm sure you're loving it.
Oh yes, nice. The service is good, the service is reliable and flexible. Just give a call and anywhere you want it to be delivered, you're welcome.
Get that? Flexibility is what we are about. She was supposed to receive the package at home, but she realized that she had reached home late this evening, so she said, Carrot, come at work. And we're here. We're here to serve. Flexibility, reliability, and affordability. That is how we are. If you're not yet a member, join. Click on the link right down here and be a part of the thing. And I should come inside and grab some things. You know, any free food inside?
No, you have to pay. You have to purchase.
Purchase?
Yes, no free in it.
Place not run right. But hey, that's how we are on the delivery trail. Pleasure. See ya.
Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets.